How to send hundreds of personalized emails in Gmail. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Google Sheets and then type in the emails. Then add their first name, your company name or their company name. You can also add discount code. And after you're done, open new tab and search gmail.co. In here, click on Add to Gmail at the top right. Then click on Add Extension. I have already added extension, so there is Remove from Chrome option. Click on Add Extension. After that, your Gmail will pop up. On your Gmail account, at the top, you will find Gmail button, which is connected to an email list in a Google Sheet. Click on it. Click on Connect to Spreadsheet and select the spreadsheet. Click on Connect to Spreadsheet. After you have done that, you will find this kind of screen pop up. In here, automatically recipients will be added. You will just need to add subject and then type in hi or welcome, anything you want for your message. After the first letter, open bracket and then write first. I'm writing first because I want people's name. As it's connected to my spreadsheet, it will automatically send hi and the first name of the person. After you have written all the mails, press on Gmail at the bottom. After you have clicked on Gmail, your emails will be sent to all the recipients. And this is how to send hundreds of personalized emails in Gmail. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.